You enjoy the best of everything around the globe, from America to Australia, living an entirely global lifestyle with no limitations. Then why limit yourself to borders when it comes to healthcare? Presenting IndusInd Health Global, a health insurance policy that breaks boundaries and unlocks the world for you, bringing best of medical infrastructure and treatments for yourself and your loved ones. Whether it's a minor illness or a major one, medical care is uncompromisable. Now you can travel distances to access world-class treatment options, and we will make it possible for you. The policy is designed to provide you with comprehensive coverage for all aspects of the treatment. Planned hospitalization with pre- and post-hospitalization expenses, and specified illnesses like cancer treatment and coronary artery bypass surgery. Global second opinion for critical illnesses with across 7,60,000 plus specialist doctors. To and fro travel for up to $7,000 is taken care for insured, companion and living donor. Accommodation expenses of $350 per day is covered for 60 days during the treatment. Even visa and documentation charges and assistance services like translation services, consular referral, arrangement of radio taxi or chauffeur services, emergency cash assistance and more. So you can dedicatedly focus on recovering well and coming back home. All of this with high sum insured options up to $1 million. But that's not all this policy has on offer. You can also choose a power-packed India cover. Now launching not 1x, 2x or 3x, but unlimited sum insured, so that money is the last thing on your mind when it comes to healthcare. From OPD cover to air ambulance and unlimited reinstatement, it is loaded with all the finest features of the category. Get inflation protection bonus every year, even after a claim, and many more amazing features on offer. So, unlock world-class medical facilities both in India and globally by choosing IndusInd Health Global. For more information, visit IndusIndInsurance.com or contact your insurance advisor today.
IndusInd General Insurance, now with a better experience.